What's up, Johnny C? On this mofo, or on here, or Johnny C, whichever you prefer to call me. Headed to the Sprint store to get the new iPhone 4S. Check me out. What up? Guerrilla style unboxing of the new iPhone 4S on Sprint's network. Here's the box. You've probably seen it before. Let's open it up. Oh, it's the phone. This is hard to do with one hand holding the camera. So here it is. Bam! It's all activated and stuff already. It's unique. There's nothing indicating that it's the iPhone 4S. It's my first iPhone in a while. I had the iPhone 3G and 3GS, so I do like this design. It feels a little bit lighter and feels a little bit smaller. Get your fingertips stuff, headphones, USB, and charger. That's what's in the box. Pretty simple. Same things come with iPads and iPods. Just switch from Sprint, and here's the Evo by comparison. Almost the same size. Thickness, obviously it's a little bit smaller. It is going to take some getting used to for the screen size, because I am used to the Evo's big screen, but yeah, I'm excited. I like it. I like the fact that it's on unlimited data, because I use a lot of data. So yeah, that's all I got. Deuces.